This morning, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo facing a new scandal, reportedly giving members of his inner circle access to hard-to-come-by COVID tests when the state was at the epicenter of the pandemic early on. The Times-Union of Albany says, according to 3 people with direct knowledge of the situation, Cuomo directed top health officials to prioritize people with close ties to his administration and family members, including his mother and his younger brother, Chris Cuomo, an anchor for CNN. In the early days of the pandemic, the governor frequently appeared on his brother's show.
This is the normal swab. This was the actual swab that was being used to fit up that double-barrel shotgun that you have mounted on the front of your pretty face.
See, I said I was going to be nice and sweet.
Chris, who tested positive for coronavirus last March, is not commenting, but CNN released a statement that reads in part, "When Chris was showing symptoms and was concerned about possible spread, he turned to anyone he could for advice and assistance, as any human being would." The Washington Post, citing 2 sources, says employees at Wadsworth Center, the state's lab in Albany, would work overtime to process the results of those close to the governor.
It is so fast and so easy that even a governor can take this test.
Last May, the governor seen taking a COVID test during one of his daily briefings as a way to encourage the public. The Cuomo team also released a statement saying in part, "In the early days of the pandemic, when there was a heavy emphasis on contact tracing, we were absolutely going above and beyond to get people testing, including in some instances going to people's homes. Among those we assisted were members of the general public, including legislators, reporters, state workers, and their families who feared they had contracted the virus and had the capability to further spread it." The fallout comes amid mounting pressure on the governor to resign after several women came forward alleging sexual harassment, which Cuomo has denied. This could mean further legal trouble for the governor in the state of New York. It's illegal for officials to receive or provide special privileges.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.